I am starting off by using my Canson marker paper, but you can use whatever paper you have on hand. Computer paper works just fine. Now first, I am mapping out where my face is going to go. This will help give us a guide for proportion. For the eye, I'm just drawing a basic shape of an eye and then continuing the line around the top and around the bottom to create eyelids. Then go to the center to make some circles for the iris and the pupil, and then from there just draw some squigglies around to get to the nose. For the other eye, I am drawing a wavy line and then some random circles to connect that to the mouth. Once you're done with your pencil outline, go over it with a marker. I'm just using a simple Sharpie. Then I'm giving my girl some abstract eyelashes because she's a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Okay, back to what we are doing. And then go in and erase all of your pencil lines and boom, she's done. This next one I'm using computer paper and I'm going for more of a boxy look. I'm doing the eye the same way we did the first one and then creating a box around that is going to connect to the nose. For the other eye, I'm just drawing a squiggle that goes into a box that connects to the mouth. And then I will be going in with a finer tipped Sharpie to outline my pencil lines. Now I'm just transferring that design onto some multi-purpose paper that can also work with water. Once you have your marker laid in, go ahead and erase those pencil marks. And what I'm doing here is just going in with my Tombow. You can use watercolor straight from a pan if you'd like. And once you have your marker laid in, you can just go in with a brush and some water and feather that color out. And there you go, you have two versions of the same design. And now this is a very simple one continuous line that is going to be an outline of two different faces that form right into each other. So keep in mind you have a forehead, your nose, your lips, your chin, and then that line will continue down to the forehead of the next person. So your nose, your lips, your chin, and then just outline that in marker and you have a really simple line silhouette. And now this next one is a simple little line drawing of a female figure. So little circles for her bun and then draw her hairline down to her neck and shoulder. Shoulder down to the elbow and then a line for going along her side. So then just stop it around 3/4 length. Now I'm going in with my thick Sharpie again and loosely outlining over my pencil marks. And you can leave it here or you can go in with some watercolor or a watercolor marker. I'm just going in with my watercolor marker and then blending that out with some water and a paintbrush. And there you go, we are all done. This is a simple, elegant female figure. For this last one, I'm just going to do some continuous line drawn flowers. For the petals, just make kind of an inverted triangle that's wavy along one side, and then do around 5 or 6 petals for a flower. Continue the stem down. You can do some bud casings right below the stem and then down into leaves. Add as many flowers in here as you like. I am just doing 3. Then I'm just outlining this in my fine tip Sharpie. Once your Sharpie dries, go ahead and erase your pencil marks. Then I'm just going in with a simple watercolor palette and adding in some color to the petals. And I'm also using my Tombow to go in and add some green to the leaves and feathering that as well. And there you go, you have 5 simple and easy DIY line drawn artwork that you can make yourself. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!